Check this out. This is a sales brochure from 1969. The amount of literature that you can get these days is absolutely unbelievable. You've got your owner's manuals, accessory catalogs, all kinds of stuff, just a crazy amount. And those are really fun. I really like those. But today I'm here at Brothers Tech Center to show you 3 specific books that you really should look at. If we're getting to brass tacks, meat and potato work, what we're going to need are these books right here. First thing I want to show you is the electrical wiring diagram. Now this is pretty inexpensive. If you just have wiring that you have to deal with, you don't have to go buy a big thick book. You can just get this guy right here. What it's going to do for you is it's going to show you your electrical wiring diagram all the way down to the color of the wire and the routing of the wire. So you got a new truck and you're going to integrate some new stuff to it. This is a really helpful, handy way to show you how to meld those two guys together. You got an electrical problem on your old truck. This is really going to be a handy way to route that out and figure out what's going on. Now, these guys right here, what I'm going to show you is the service manual. This right here, if you look at the first page, you'll notice all the things it different lists: air conditioning, fuel, suspension, etc., etc., etc. This just shows you how to take apart your truck and put it all back together again, and it comes with instructions. So it'll tell you exactly how to take it apart, how to service it, and how to put it all back together again, down to every little nut and bolt. Now, when you get a service manual, there'll be a main big one for your specific year. For instance, this is 60 to 63. So the big manual right here is going to take care of those years. But you're also going to want to get the supplement if you have a 64, 65, 66. This is going to be the idiosyncrasies that aren't covered in the larger book right here. So here you've got your 70s, for instance. You can see how nice and thick this guy is. But here's your 76 supplement. So make sure you get both at the same time. So next I want to show you the factory assembly manual. And this is not going to have a table of contents in it. You just have to go hunt and peck through for pictures. What we do is we get tabs up here. This is probably the most used book we have in here. And when you call and you ask for a manual, most of the time this is what we're going to be recommending, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. And what this does is it shows you everything exploded. Let me see if I can find something really cool for you. So here you can see it actually has electrical diagrams sometimes too, but this is going to show you steering columns exploded, every single thing. A picture is worth 1,000 words. This here has a lot of words in it, so to speak. So this is really the main kicker that I like to use a lot of the time. So make sure that you go to the website, you get not only the manual that you need, but the supplement that you need. Get the exploded view assembly manual, and while you're there, pick up one of these right here. These are just cool to have. Make sure you check us out on Instagram and Facebook, and when you are on the YouTube channel, you make sure that you hit the bell and you make the like and you subscribe and all that kind of stuff, because next week I'm going to show you some more stuff and you're going to want to see it. We'll see you then.